Google is giving Indian college students free access to premium AI tools worth rupees 19,500 per year. But there's a catch. You only have until September 15, 2025 to claim it. Let's break down what's included and how you can sign up. This isn't just any freebie. Google is unlocking Google AI Pro, packed with game-changing tools like Gemini 2.5 Pro, homework help, exam prep, writing and studying. Deep research, create detailed reports in seconds. Notebook LM, organize notes and generate study guides. VO3, turn text images into videos. Yes, AI videos. Audio overviews, convert notes into podcasts. Gemini Live, practice presentations and brainstorm. AI in Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Slides for smarter productivity. Plus, 2 TB of free cloud storage in Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Out. You get 12 months free, but you must sign up before the deadline. Google will email you before it ends, so you can cancel if needed. No sneaky charges. Here's how to claim your free access in 4 easy steps. 1. Go to Google. 2. Verify you're a student, 18 plus, using Sheer ID. 3. Add a payment method. No charges, just for verification. 4. Use a personal Gmail. School accounts won't work. A Google Kanta study found 95% of Indian students using Gemini feel more confident, and 75% want AI tools to help them grow. This is huge for exams, projects, and research. If you're a student in India, don't miss this. Like and subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.